Morning students, Sairam, this is Megha Miss here, and today we will continue with our sum students, right? I hope you have written the sums from the before presentation what I took, fifth presentation. I started with the sums, textual sums I told you I am going to solve, and three questions I have done in the last presentation. I hope you have written them in your book, okay, science book. Now today we will continue. This is our continuing with our lesson number 12, study of sound. This is our session 6 students, and today we will complete with the sums and the lesson will also get complete. Okay students, so we will start. So now the D question, we have done the three questions before. Now we will continue with the D one. Okay, textual only. Okay, you can see this at the textbook sums. You can open and see. Hydrogen gas is filled in two identical bottles. Okay, they are the identical bottles. Remember this word. A and B at the same temperature. Remember students, temperature is also same. The mass of the hydrogen in the two bottles is 12 gram and 48 gram respectively. Okay, so the mass of hydrogen is given in the two bottles. I have hydrogen in gas in that bottles. Okay, that is the 12 grams and 48 grams respectively. In which bottle will sound travel faster? We have to calculate how many times as fast as the other. Okay, so we have to calculate what is the speed of the sound, how much fast the sound will travel. Okay students, so we will see now how to solve. Given part is mass of the hydrogen in bottle A 12 grams. Okay, then mass of the hydrogen in bottle B, that is 48 grams, right? We have written the given part. To find, we have to find the velocity, right? Speed of the sound, that is the velocity of the sound. Now the formulas which we are going to use students, V is equal to 1 upon root rho. Okay, you are going to use this first as our this formula, and then we are going to use density is equal to mass upon volume. This is our second formula which we are going to use. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you. Mass of the hydrogen in bottle A 12 grams, mass of the hydrogen in bottle B 48 grams. To find velocity, formulas both are clear to you. Okay, now we will proceed. Now the solution part. Now density in bottle A, first we will calculate the density, okay, of whom? Of the hydrogen which is there in that bottle. Okay, so density in bottle A, how much we will take it as rho A, that will be 12 upon V. We will take mass upon volume. Volume V will be similar because bottles are identical, right? So V we have written. Okay, 12 is for A bottle we have taken, right? Mass of the hydrogen. Then next is density in bottle B. Rho B is equal to 48 upon V. Okay, 48 is in the bottle B. Okay, now see here. I hope this part is clear to you. Okay, now therefore what we will have, VA for bottle A. Okay, we will take it as VA is equal to 1 upon rho A, and VB is equal to 1 upon rho B. Okay, we will take it and this way. Okay, now you know, if I do VA upon VB, okay, what it will become? 1 upon root rho A, right, upon 1 upon root of rho B it will become, right? What I have done VA upon VB. Okay, and you know, when you put it in the formula, this will become root of root, it will come, right? Both is in root. So what it will come? VA upon VB is equal to 1 upon root rho A upon 1 upon root rho B. Okay, I have just done upon. Okay, now what will happen students? Just 1 and 1 got okay, it can get 1 can get cancelled, right? This will go up. Okay, this part will go up. Okay, so what you will get students? VA upon VB is equal to root of rho B upon root of rho A. Okay, as it is 1 upon, when it will 1 will come down, 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Okay, reciprocal we have to do, right? So what you will get? Therefore VA upon VB, what you will get is equal to root of, yes, you know, rho B, you know, we have done now only 48 upon V upon 12 upon V. We have substituted the values of rho B and rho A what we have calculated before. Okay students, so now see here, V and V can get cancelled. Yes, so what you are going to get students? We will just see, we'll proceed. See here, Therefore, VA upon VB, you will get it as root 48 upon 12. Okay. I hope V and V got cancelled. As you know, the volumes got cancelled. Okay. So, what you will get? VA upon VB is equal to root 4. Okay. So, therefore, VA upon VB is equal to 2. Okay. Root 4 answer is 2. So, therefore, VA is equal to 2 VB. Okay. Means VB is less, twice times less than VA. Okay. So, what you will say, students? Final answer, very important to write. Velocity of sound will be faster in bottle A. Okay. Velocity of sound in bottle A is twice that in the bottle B. Okay. So, in the B bottle, twice times less it is than the bottle A. Okay, students, I hope you understood the sum. When you solve it on your own in the notebook, you will understand it more better. Okay, so solve it in your book, students. Okay, so I hope you understood the final answer also. What we have got, VA is equal to 2 VB. Okay, means VA, that is velocity of the sound will be faster in the bottle A, and the velocity of the sound in bottle A is twice, okay, that in the bottle B. So 2 times it is greater. Okay, students, I hope this sum is clear to you. Okay, you will solve it on your own, you will understand it in the more better way. Okay, so we'll proceed. Next you have E sum, that is helium gas is filled in two identical bottles A and B. Okay. The mass of the gas in the two bottles is 10 grams and 40 grams respectively. Okay. So helium gas now we have. First we had hydrogen gas, same type of a sum. Okay. Now you have helium gas which is also filled in the identical bottles. Okay. And those are A and B respectively. The mass of the gas in the two bottles, you have 10 grams and 40 grams respectively. Okay. If the speed of the sound is same in both the bottles, now they have told that speed is already same. What conclusions will you draw? Now what conclusions we can draw here? Okay. Now we will see how to solve this sum. Okay. We'll continue. Given mass of the gas in bottle A, you have 10 grams. Mass of the gas in bottle B, you have 40 grams. To find conclusion if the speed of the sound is same in both the bottles. Okay, students. Solution, what we are going to do, students? V is directly proportional, you know, 1 upon root rho. Okay, this is our first equation, right? This equation we have used in the previous sum also. And then also you have V is directly proportional to the root T. Okay, so these two equations we will be using. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, students. Now, combining 1 and 2 we get. If we combine both the equations, what you are going to get, students? V is directly proportional to the root T upon root rho. Okay. Now, two bottles given are identical. That is, volume of the gases are same. Okay, volume is going to, V value is going to be same. Let the volume, what we have taken, let the volume of the bottles be V. We will take it as V. Okay. Let M1 and M2 be the masses of the gases in the bottle A and B. Okay. M1 and M2 we are taking as the masses. V1 and V2 be the velocity of the sound, and T1 be the temperature of A and T2 of the B. Okay. So we have taken V1 and V2 be the velocity of the sound, and T1 be the temperature of A and T2 be of the T2 will be of B. Okay. So therefore V1 upon V2, what you are going to get, student, when you do V1 upon V2 is equal to root T1 multiply by 1 upon root, now you know density is mass upon volume, so M1 upon V we have taken in the root. Same way root T2. Okay. And what you are going to take, 1 upon root M2 upon V. Okay, we have used that formula also. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So we have written it as 1 upon root rho. Rho means density. It is mass upon volume. So M2 upon V. Okay, students. So we'll move to the next step now. I hope till here it is clear. Okay, same as we have done in the last sum, same we are proceeding. Now, V1 upon V2 is equal to, what you will get, students, now? Root M2 upon V. Okay, root M2 upon V, root T1 upon root m1 upon v root t2. When you solve, you get it in this equation. Okay. Now given that you know v1 is equal to v2, this is given to you. So if v1 is equal to v2, students, can I write root m1 root t2 is equal to root m2 root t1? Okay, you know this v and v can get cancel out because volumes are same. Okay, so what is remaining, students? m1 root m1 and this t2 is remaining, right? And m2 and this root t1 is remaining. That only I have written, they are going to be equal. Okay, now or what you can write, students? How I can write? Now all are roots, so I can remove the root sign, right? Both the side root signs can get cancelled. So if I want this t2, it will become m2 multiplied by t1 upon m1. Is it written here? Yes. Okay, I hope till here it is clear to you. Yes. Now m1 you know it is 10 grams, m2 you know it is 40 grams. So what you will get? T2 is equal to 40 T1 upon 10. Okay, so what you are getting? T2 is equal to 4 T1. This 40, you know, 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are, right? So what you are getting? T2 is equal to 4 T1. Okay, student. So what we can get the conclusion, students? Thus it can be concluded that the temperature of bottle B is 4 times the temperature of bottle A. Okay, students, what conclusion you are going to get? Thus it can be concluded that the temperature of the bottle B is 4 times the temperature of bottle A. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. You understood the sum. You are going to solve it in your notebook. That time you will better understand it. Okay, students, I hope today's presentation, whatever we have done, all the 5 sums, you will solve it in your book and study them properly. Okay, here we have completed with our lesson also, that is the study of sound. Okay, I hope you saw all the presentations, you have understood the lesson also. Whatever the things we studied related to the sound, I hope whatever parts I told you to note down, you have made a note of it in your books also. Okay, students, now we are going to this was a physics based chapter. As you know, study of sound, this is a physics based chapter, student. So now the next chapter which will be starting, we will do one chemistry based lesson now. Okay, students, so I hope you will do this chapter also properly. Whatever part I have told you that it is not there now for this year, it has been skipped from your portion, you will not study that. Okay, extra information and all, do you know, and all whatever is given in your text. Okay, for this chapter also. So I hope sums you will solve. Again I am telling you, practice writing the sums in your notebook, then only you will be having a habit to do it in your 10th standard also. Okay, students, so I'll stop it today here for today's presentation. I'll end here and I'll stop it here today. Okay, we'll meet in the next presentation with a new lesson now. Okay, this chapter is completed. Okay, students, so thank you. Sai Ram, take care.